Alright, this is my 95 Spyder. I just wanted to show you guys the cables and my latch switches. You can see here, latch switch. It's clicking like it's supposed to. It's got good movement. The latch switch looks okay. But it doesn't seem like when I push this down and up, or when the top closes, that it's actually engaging it. But all the cables look fine. I'll go over here to the other side. And again, you can take a look here. Cables look fine. And you can see the latch switch. A little beat up, but seems like it still works. And I have checked all these cables running down to the motor and also to the manual release. Obviously that works because that's the way I have to raise and lower the tonneau covers manually. And this runs up to the manual release switch, and then both of these run back to both sides of the latch. Again, any help you guys can give me would be very appreciated.